In this lesson, we will implement a feature that allows users to view all movies, only watched movies, or only unwatched movies. Let's start by creating a function called filter movies that accepts a filter criterion and returns the corresponding list of movies. Here's how you can implement it. Function filter movies with parameter filter, switch filter, and in case all, let's return movie watchlist. In case the filter is watched, return movie watchlist filter movie where movie is watched, and in case of unwatched, return movie watchlist filter movie where movie is not watched. And by default, let's return an empty array. The filter method returns a copy of an array containing only the movies that match the specified criteria. Now, let's create a function that allows us to display the filtered movies. So function displayedFilterMovies, and let's use all as the default filter. And const filtered movies is filter movies by filter. And if filtered movies length is 0, let's console log no movies found for this filter, and then return. Otherwise, let's console log filter movies, and we can use our print movie details function to print each movie details. So filtered movies for each movie, print movie details with an argument movie. Let's test how the filter movies and display filtered movies work together. Display filtered movies, this will return all movies. Display filtered movies with a filter watched, this will display only the watched movies. And finally, let's display filtered movies with filter unwatched. And this will display only unwatched movies.